just got to the boat. We're gonna see if that new CMAP card that I downloaded works right. Hopefully I got it right this time, and we're gonna try and fix the radar again. I feel like it's probably not getting power, so we're gonna have to check. Maybe some of the cables are loose. Coming off of the bus bar, there's power, so it's got to be somewhere between the unit and the radar unit. Right, let's see, first startup. Let's see if the maps are working. The radar doesn't work, but we gotta fix that. It's something with the power. Let's see. I don't know what the hell that is. Let's see. All right, there we go. We got a chart. Sweet baby Jesus. Now we just got to fix the radar. So we didn't get the radar working. I don't know what's wrong with it. I'm going to have to try and order a replacement unit. It's like the R1, RI10 or something like that. I think it connects the radar to the actual simrad, so I don't know. But we installed some new zincs and pretty much ready to go fishing tomorrow. So guess we'll see what we catch.